Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and creatine is such an important supplement that so many different types of people can benefit from. This one's by NatureBell, and there's 5,000 milligrams per serving. My husband really likes taking this creatine, and so do I. I think it's a really good quality, absorbs so good into water. It's really easy to drink because it doesn't have any taste as well. It's such a high quality because it's a monohydrate, so it absorbs really well into the body. Another thing that we'll do is we'll take a scoop and we'll just add it to a smoothie in the morning. So that's another way that we like to drink it as well. I like this specific brand of creatine because there isn't anything extra added to it. There isn't any like gluten, soy, anything like that. You can see the scooper here. It's a small size, but it has a huge amount, so 5,000 milligrams. And this is something that we'll take pre or post workout. So if you're looking for a great brand of creatine, try this one out. I really like it. My husband loves it, and that's my point of view.